So hello guys, welcome back again IT Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 15 delivered to powerful tools that help user focus and also reduce the directions. So guys, focus is a new feature that filter notifications and app based on what user want to focus on. So guys, customer can set their device to help them in moment by creating a custom focus or selecting the suggestion focus. So guys, which use on the device intelligence to suggest which people and also apps are allowed to notifications them. So guys, the focus suggestions based on the user context, like during their work hours, while they are winding down for the bed, and also when focus is set on the Apple devices is automatically applied to their other Apple devices. So guys, user can create home screen pages with apps and also widgets. So guys, that apply to moment of the focus only display revert apps and also reduce templations. So guys, when users focus is blocking incoming notifications, their status is automatically displayed to another in messages and also reflecting that users is not currently reachable. So guys, now I will show you how to turn on focus mode on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, how to work it? So guys, please follow the steps and easy to turn on focus mode on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now first of all, in your iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad, open the settings app in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now you can see also just above screen time, tap on focus on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, on the main focus screens you will find the first option is do not disturb, second is sleep, third one is personal and also fourth one is work. So guys, to start with the options, to add custom focus with the plus icon in the top right corner on iPhone and iPad. So guys, on main focus screens you can see also bottoms share across device is enabled by default on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, you can easily simply tap on the toggle and also turn off in your iPhone and iPad easily. So guys, this iOS 15 focus mode work on the iPhone, iPad, Mac and also Apple Watch 2 with the Mac OS, iPad OS 15, iOS 15 and also Watch OS 8 in your iPhone, iPad and also MacBook. So guys, now I will show you in this video how to turn on the focus mode on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps. So guys, simply choose the any one focus mode on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now I will choose the work focus mode on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also first one is silent notifications, second one is don't miss out, third one is share status and fourth one is turn on automatically. So guys, now you can see also notifications from the people. So guys, simply tap on add people and select the any one peoples in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, simply tap on that right hand side corner done icon. So guys, please tap on that. Now you can see also bottom allow one people. Now again tap on the notifications from the apps. So guys, now you can see also easily select the any apps on your iPhone and also right hand side corner done icon. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also allow the time sensitive. So guys, simply tap on that. So guys, in work focus mode you can see also customization options. So guys, simply tap on the home screens options. In home screens you can see also this type interface so in your focus mode. So guys, simply tap on that and you can easily customize page turn on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, you can easily in focus mode customize options available on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now come back in settings. Now you can see also last features of the focus mode. Finally choose if you want your focus turn on and off automatically based on the schedule, your locations and also app use via the smart activations. So guys, you can easily smart activations on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now I will show you how to turn on focus mode on your iPhone. So guys, simply tap on the control centers. Now you can see also second option is work focus mode. So guys, simply tap on that and you can easily work focus mode turn on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.